What is the scope? The scope of technology transfer can depend on the organization who wants to source the technology, their strategies, objectives, and their resources and capabilities. This should be the scope of transfer of technology. It should depend on what source of the technology. What is the source of technology I want? Then the strategies, the objectives, and the resources and capabilities. Objective is I need the technology for a particular purpose. And the resource and capabilities, when I take the technology, when the technology is transferred to me, will I have the capability to use the technology for the purpose that is necessary? Then the parties to the agreement, under scope again, the parties to the agreement, they should decide on the mode of transfer and what is the knowledge that has to be given and to what extent the transfer has to happen. Then, while determining any such transfer under scope, the parties should very, very explicitly identify what is to be transferred. That is why when I was telling in the first, initially when I was saying in licensing, when the team is, discussing, you should first know what you want to disclose. What is it that you want to give? There are times when you don't need to give all. And you need only, suppose let us take, you are manufacturing a particular equipment where one product, goes into the equipment which you are not capable of manufacturing or you don't have the wherewithal. So that part can be licensed out to another person saying, look, you manufacture this and give it to me. I'm going to give you the license for that. Right? So you should explicitly identify what is being transferred and possibly in a separate schedule. Like every transfer agreement or a license agreement will have a schedule. Because no agreement without a schedule can be, can survive. The, parties can survive to the, or parties can inure to the benefit of the agreement. Then